Hey guys, so it is the day before Halloween 2024. This year I didn't dress up, I didn't go to any parties, anything. Right now I'm not trying to look like a clown, but I do. I am color correcting. And I was just like, I can't let this year go by and I don't do something new. So, I mean, I kind of did a Marilyn Monroe-ish type of photo shoot for my birthday last week. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go in my closet, I'm gonna figure something out. And then I was like, I need a wig. Went on Amazon, got, you know, when they do like, you can get something about 5 p.m. Did that. The wig just got here. So I was like, all right, let me pop on a face and do this. So we are creating Carmen Jones, which is starred by Dorothy Dandridge, who I absolutely love. Dorothy is right here over my vanity. I'll show you her and Marilyn both right over my vanity. So first I saw her in like an Ebony or Essence magazine. It was like this full spread, and it was like, I can't remember how many years it was after her death, and I had never heard of her before. Obviously I heard of Marilyn Monroe before, but I had never heard of Dorothy Dandridge. And again, this was in the 90s. This is before Halle Berry did the movie, all of that. And from that instant, I became so obsessed. I think she was such a trailblazer. Thank you so much, Dorothy, for everything you did for us. First African-American woman to be nominated for, you know, leading actress and an Academy Award. And I'm pissed because I also had overnighted some makeup because I'm out of everything. But we're going to start. Like I said, I already started on my brows, and I color correct because I have dark circles, and I color correct a little bit around my mouth. Don't look at this nail because y'all not going to look at it. I'm getting my nails done tonight. Anywho, but yeah, we're about to, just since I have dark circles, I go on with this. This is Tarte. It's almost to my same complexion. I'm really out of this, so I'm hoping that this new order even comes. But yeah, a few people have redone this look. Beyonce she did it in Dreamgirls. Rihanna, I think it was for a photo shoot. Rihanna, Winnie Harlow, she did it. Of course, Halle Berry, and there have been some other women who have done it. Janet Jackson, of course. All right, so we're going with that one, and now I'm just blend it in. So everything, guys, my only rule for makeup is blending. Blend, 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 blend. Blend that ish in, okay? So I'm gonna just be blending here for a minute.
To his fans, he seems to be
so
hiding.
I wear NARS Carcass. This is also empty, which I ordered a new one. And hope, oh, you know what? Because I have a whole drawer of makeup I have never even worn before. Yes. We have one. Alright, so now we're going to do a concealer. So this is Pat McGrath in color M20. I'm going to try to list everything, guys. So M20 Pat McGrath again. Look, I'm kind of fun everything. Just blend, blend. This is pretty much my regular makeup routine anyway. In between layers, I do setting spray, and I love Charlotte Tilbury's. It's called Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. I love this, and I love the one size. So I usually do this like in between foundation and concealer. If I was doing, well, I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow, but if I was doing more eyeshadow, I would spray it like directly in my eyeshadow. But you don't want it super close to your face because it will mess up your makeup. So a few inches away.
There was no home, there was no warmth,
and let it dry for like 2 minutes. And we just are gonna blend that concealer in because we want it flawless, okay? We want it really flawless. Flawless, flawless, flawless on these under eyes. Like I said, I got lines and wrinkles and all that. She ain't have that. But see how it's like, So I haven't even contoured my nose. I'm going to contour my face because she was a lot thinner than me. So I want this face snatch. And how I contour my nose, I'm still learning, guys. My nose is probably my biggest insecurity I've ever had. It's big, but whatever. Oops, shit, I took that in a little. And whenever I make a mistake, I just add it in. So what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other side, child. And that might really. Alright, and my lips is dry boots. So this is a vitamin E stick. No, this is a peppermint stick from Juvia's. I love their stuff. I love them. They are one of the companies that really inspired me to want to start Ashley Monroe Beauty. I love their story, and I love their product. Their eyeshadows are my favorite. My favorite eyeshadows in the world. I have so many. Let me show you. I have so many palettes from them. Like, oop. I love their eyeshadows, and this is not even all of it. In other words, I love you, Juvia's. I love you. And again, don't wipe your concealer off. Do not wipe your concealer off. Pat your concealer in. So I like to use sponges to pat mine in. Some people are brush people. Whatever you do, just don't. That goes in with the blending. And again, like I told y'all, my number one rule is blending. So for it to blend into your skin. All right, now we're gonna contour. This is Charlotte Tilbury matte bronzing filter for face in 310. I use it as a contour. See how it feels on? Contour. And then I'm gonna go in a swirling. And then we're gonna do that on both sides. And we're gonna do that for a while because, child, like I said, blend. And then I even fix them around my forehead and down your neck. While they were filming Carmen Jones, Dorothy was 29. So I ain't 29, honey. So we gonna go a little more up under here. So this is a little lighter than my skin. And this one is a little faster drying, so we really don't need to let it sit too long. I really don't want it to sit at all, actually. And then, because I'm going to contour my nose, because she had a super snatched thin nose. I do not. I think that's crooked too, but we will fix it in a second. And then a little on the chin to highlight the chin. And I usually do just a tiny bit here, not a lot. I know some people go all up in here. I don't do all that, but it's preference. If that's what you want to do, baby, that's what you're going to do, baby.
Send a tech upstairs. We have an item for fingers.
All right, so now I'm going to contour my nose. This is a Morphe brush. Morphe, it's another one of my favorites. Inexpensive, and their brushes, I love their brushes. They are super inexpensive. You can probably get a pack. I think they have like a gift set pack of like 10 or 12 brushes for like 80 bucks. So now Laura Mercier. This is my all over face. And I know y'all probably like, this is a lot of makeup. And guess what? It is. I'm a makeup girly. If it's too much makeup for you, this ain't for you. But if you want that face flawless, beat like professionally, this is how you do it. I went to makeup school years ago. I thought I wanted to be a makeup artist for a little bit. Well, I didn't know if I wanted. I just liked doing makeup. But I didn't like doing other people's makeup, so I just like doing my own. Yeah, so I got my makeup license. What year was that? 20? No, not 20 anything. 20 was a baby. 2008. So, yeah. OG professional. And then because cheeks were all the rage back then, rouge as they would call it. This is Juvia's too. I like to blend these two. I'm gonna tell you which palette this is in 1 second. Oh, volume 1, blush rouge. Blush rouge. So you smile like normal. People always tell you that I do this, but I go up and not over. So up toward the temple. And whatever is on the brush is on the brush. And then what do, guys? We blend. Y'all know what's up next. Okay, now we can get into the fun part. So I said I wasn't going to do a lot of shadow. Just a little bit. So one of those Juvia's palettes I showed you earlier. This is the Warrior by Juvia's. It's all like browns, tans. This is my favorite one. I use it almost every day. So this color right here, this mid color, I just put it. It's probably the closest to my skin complexion. Just throwing it over Because if any like concealer or anything got up there, just to blend it out. And then y'all know what I'm gonna say. Blend, 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 blend. And then for picture purposes, if we were doing like a full glam, I would do a little darker up in the creases just because it shows up better. Like if you're gonna be out taking a bunch of pictures and all that, but since I want this look more accurate to hers with a little Ashley twist. And then we're gonna go in with a liquid eyeliner. It's like a little wing she did. I still am not great at a wing, guys. So this is one of the eyeliners that is coming to Ashmore Beauty. I do this 2 ways. So this one, I like to use for my underline and even sometimes for my lash line. So I like it up here sometimes. It's so dark. Well, now that I did that, like I said, you gotta do both sides. Just go over that. Ooh, a little got down there, but that's how I will get it in a second. And go under your lash line. A lot of people don't do this, but I feel like it just helps your liner look thicker, and you don't want any of that like nude peeking out from your under eye. To me, it really makes a difference. So I did it. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, but whenever I mess up like the corner, take a little bit of concealer, a little lighter, and just go right up under there and sharpen it out and clean it up. Now we're gonna do a bottom liner, and then we'll get to lips and lashes. And then because Dorothy, I like a lot of liner, but she wasn't doing a whole bunch of liner at the bottom. We're just gonna do like a thing. Alright, so these are some Ashmore lashes. These in here are not it, but this is the packaging. These are the Mona ones. They're like corner lashes. I've used these a few times. They just add like a little oomph to the look. And because back then they weren't doing like, you know, super drama lashes yet. These are perfect. You just put them on the corner and they add a little pizzazz. So I have to use tweezers, guys. I know that there are people out here who can do it, who can just pop their lashes on. I am not that girl. And we're just gonna brush through the eyebrows to make them look natural. This is always one of my last steps of my makeup. Y'all, I can't even put this over my hair. Oh my God, what the fuck?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
This ain't Dorothy, guys. What the fuck in the hermit? Like, okay, you will figure it out. Ooh, baby, she pulls and moves. Okay, we might. Okay, wait a second. Somebody about to come through. I don't know, but we gonna play around. We gonna figure her out. Where that comb at? They knew I needed that damn comb. That's why they gave it to me. What the hell I do with it? We're gonna get it, guys. We gonna, the wig is, she's still, wait. She under there, okay? We're gonna figure out. I can't even put no heat on her because she's synthetic. But this is our Monroe lipstick, liquid lipstick from Ashton Monroe. And then I'm lining with our Vex lip liner, also from Ashton Monroe. I'm just cleaning it up a little bit before I go in with our gloss. And this gloss is called the Dandridge. It is named after Dorothy Dandridge. Duh! It is all a part of our iconic red lip collection that is available now for pre-sale on ashtonmonroe.com and will ship out before the holidays, so those lips can be red and cherry this holiday season. And this is to let black girls know that you can wear red lipstick. Okay?
So, but you know the old saying about a criminal always returning to the scene of the crime? We never believed in it. Why shouldn't you?
There's another one
be so
here.
stupid as to rob and kill?
And I used to have a mole there. It's a scar now, but I got it removed because it bothered me. I liked how it looked, but it like itched. And then another here. I used to draw moles of me when I was a kid.
Huggy had the gun. Huggy shot him. That's a lost art thinking, right? If Huggy
Earrings. She had on like some hoop earrings.
in certain cases because of our
All girls that are that girl know some gold hoop earrings is really all you need. These were on Ashton Monroe a few years ago. They are sold out. Well, they were on Fashion Ashton, but now all the earrings are on Ashton Monroe. If you guys want to shop earrings, these are super old. These are like from maybe 2.5 years ago. I think summer 22. These were from.
said he needed a place to stay.
They're very similar to hers, the one she had on in Carmen Jones. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take this wig. The bonnet off so we can see the wig. So I'll push the wig back a little bit. And I feel like, alright, let's play around with this. Alright, I think it's giving as Dorothy as it's gonna get. I wish the wig was had a little more hair, a little more volume, but I don't think I could do a real shortcut. What y'all think? Is it giving Dorothy? And this was the final look, guys. What do you think? I think it turned out cute. I do wish I had a little bit more hair on this wig, but overall, I think it turned out cute, especially for me to literally do this morning, last minute, pulling stuff out of my closet and getting this little wig from Amazon. Carmen Jones. So now that I'm officially a YouTuber, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment and do all that other stuff.
Soundstripe.